In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to Udemy in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First things first, you're going to need to log into your Udemy account. Start by navigating to the Udemy website. On the top right corner of the page, you'll see a login button. Click on this to begin the sign-in process. Now here's a tip to make things smoother. If you have a Google account, you can use that to log in quickly. After clicking on login, look for the Google icon and click on it. This will save you the hassle of remembering another password, and it's also super quick. After clicking the Google icon, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Make sure to select the account you want to use for Udemy. This step is crucial as it links your Udemy activities with your chosen Google account, making future logins a breeze. Once logged in, you're going to navigate to a sort of control hub for your account. Look at the top right corner again, but this time hover over your profile photo. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. One of those options will be subscriptions. Click on it. This is where you can manage your current subscriptions or add new ones. Since we're here to subscribe, our next step is pretty straightforward. Inside the subscription section, you'll find a button labeled subscribe. It's typically visibly placed to catch your eye. Click on it to proceed to the next phase of your subscription journey. Here comes the part that involves a bit of personal information, your credit card details. A form will appear asking for your credit card information and other relevant details. Fill these in carefully. Double check everything to avoid any errors, as this information is critical for processing your subscription. After filling out your credit card details, you're nearly there. You'll see a button that says Start Subscription. This is your final step. By clicking this button, you agree to subscribe to Udemy with the payment method you've just entered. Before you click, take a moment to review all the details you've entered one last time. It's always better to catch a mistake now than to fix it later. And voila, that's it. You've successfully subscribed to Udemy. Now you have a world of courses and learning material right at your fingertips. Whether you're looking to advance in your career, pick up a new hobby, or learn something entirely new, Udemy has you covered. Before we wrap up, here's a bonus tip. Udemy frequently offers discounts and deals on their subscriptions and courses, so keep an eye out for those. It can be a fantastic opportunity to get access to high quality learning material at a fraction of the cost. And with that, you're all set to begin your learning journey on Udemy. Remember, the key to making the most out of Udemy is exploring different courses, participating actively, and never hesitating to invest in your education. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next video.